Mm. Good morning everyone, and good afternoon everyone sa ating mga kababayan or all around the world. And po ako ay gutom, kakain po tayo ng ating tinudok. Isang. I want to eat something that different, but I don't have money to buy. So, because I want to eat sweets, I make my own. This is glutinous.